Doing our last soak in the hot tub. Today's our travel day to Sapporo. It's gonna be like a 10.5 hour train ride, so we're trying to relax as much as possible, enjoy the hot tub for the last time, and it'll be a nice change of pace in Sapporo. I heard it's like almost snowing there, maybe snowing a little bit, so this is a good last soak. Yeah. Oh, just finished with the bath. Our last day here. Checkout's at 11. Our breakfast is at 8:30. But we have about like 30 minutes until breakfast. I'm gonna have this hotel provided orange juice. It's gonna be good. Oh, it's good. It's like a tangerine juice. It tastes like straight up tangerines. The vitamin C boost, because we didn't bring enough of the 1000 cc stuff. Okay, we just checked out. The colors changed even more, I feel like, since we got here. But it's very beautiful here. It was a wonderful stay. Super recommend it to anybody looking to stay at a Ryokan in Hakone. Definitely go for the private bath one, because if you don't do the private bath, it's a reservation bath and sauna, so it might be harder to use it whenever you want. Yeah, well, we're gonna now go to Odawara station to get on the Shinkansen to Sapporo. Hi. All right. The sushi is miso. This one looks good. I'm gonna go for this one. They have last minute meals here, and it's a pretty good deal. It's like 820 yen for a katsu curry, like 600 yen for soba. It's pretty cheap. Okay, so we got our Shinkansen ticket from Odawara station to Sapporo. They gave us 3 tickets. That was very clear. You know, Odawara to Tokyo, Tokyo to Hakodate, and then Hakodate to Sapporo. But then we got this 4th one that says Odawara to Sapporo City. And we were like, why is this 4th one? When are we going to use it? And then we asked the attendant, and they said that the 4th one, you have to put it in, double it up, and put it in with at every ticket machine. So yeah, hang on to it.
It basically covers your basic fare going into the terminal.
Yeah.
So do not throw it away, or else you'll have to use your Suica card.
Yeah, and pay extra.
To pay extra when you already paid for the fare.
The express ticket.
Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah, just put it in together like this.
Yeah,
double it.
So yeah, you should buy, when you're buying your Shinkansen tickets from the vending machine, I guess you could call it, the way that Randy and I did, is that you're supposed to buy the limited express with the basic fare. Don't just buy one or the other. You have to buy them together. Yeah, it's more convenient.
Vitamin C boost time. Okay, they sell bento inside the Shinkansen area as well, but it's a little bit cheaper if you buy it outside the entrance before coming in, because you can't leave once you get in. Here comes the Shinkansen. fast. We made it. This is so fast, holy shit. Alright, we arrived at Tokyo Station. That one is our next one, leaving at 1:20. It's the Hayabusa 23, leaving from track 22. But we have like 30 minutes, so we're gonna look around before going into the gate. Maybe look for a snack or something. They have ekibens here too. I got a second ekiben. Gotta get all the ekibens, but this one is at Tokyo Station. Okay, just wanted to make a video. So when we got on the train to go to Hakodate, instead of putting in just the 2 tickets, we had to also put in 3 tickets. The 2 tickets that we previously used and the new Tokyo to Hokkaido ticket. So, and then the machine ate one. So each station you continue from, you have to put in all the previous tickets with it.
Thank you for traveling with us, and we look forward to serving you again.
Oh, we're at the Hakodate station, and there's snow already. Super lost. The English guide, English symbols and signs kind of disappeared when we got here. So I think we're going towards the right way. Oh, the ground is all frozen. It's very cold here. And we're lost. We made it. Oh yeah, UN Sapporo. Okay, we made it into the room. Oh, and we used the luggage shipping service, and they had it waiting for us in here already. Very nice. The shower and the tub is in there. I'll get to that. This little display tree. And the floor is tatami flooring. The bed. There's a nice view. There's some like a mini fridge and stuff. Let's see what's inside. The door or the shelf where the fridge is located has been left open for ventilation. Oh, okay. I think these are complimentary. I'm not sure. Nice tea set. Salmon chip. That will be enjoyed. And then they give us pajamas or yukata. And let's go to the bathtub. toilet in here. Shower. Tub. Nice. It's open sky. Oh, it's very cold though. Yeah, pretty cool. It's almost midnight. The curry was delicious. It's like, oh, it is past midnight. It's like 12:04. We're gonna stop by the kombini, get some night snacks, and then go. We're at Tanuki Koji. It's like a outdoor shopping mall, or like covered store area. It looks like the restaurants aren't opened yet, but some of the shops are open, so we're gonna take a walk. It's like a book shop / cafe. Looks good. But we already got coffee. This place is good. What is it called? Marumi. Oh yeah, so this is the actual start of that shopping area, and it looks more open. Wow, it's fuzzy. Oh, it's the Inaga.
Shima Inaga.
The snowbird.
With the EB.
But with the shrimp on its head. That's cute. What? Slip on. Very comfortable. This underground shopping area is nice. You can stay warm and look around. There's a food court down here. Some eateries, okonomiyaki, some burgers from Jacksonville. Ooh. Yakitori and soba. Okay. So this underground place is called Pole Town, and it's very good. All right, shall we go back? There's a few like used luxury goods stores here. This street keeps going on and on.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're gonna get food to eat, but then the price on the watches and stuff are a little bit better here. The selection is not as good as Tokyo, but yeah, same with the bags and stuff, according to my wife. Yeah. We're going to Soup Curry King. I think it's second floor. Never mind, it's in the basement. Oh, that soup curry was so good, but the line formed just after we got in. There was like a long line